Hi, this is Bob from Hobby Concepts, and today I want to talk about when is a new kit not really a new kit. Now this is a new kit that just came in from Tamiya, but it's a kit you've seen before. What's the difference? This is a pre-paint. So this is the Scania 770 6x4, but this one with this little sticker right here says it's pre-painted in silver with a gloss coat. And so I want to open it up and show you what it looks like and just talk a little bit about the Tamiya pre-painted semi-truck kits. There are several. This one is a particularly nice pre-paint because there are so many parts to paint. It really makes the assembly a lot easier when it's pre-painted. And not only that, in the US, this is $60 less than the unpainted one. What? What's up with that, Tamiya? Anyway, let's get started. So here's this kit, the Scania 770S 6x4, which I did a video on this last year, painted it the same color, the blue, and it was a beautiful kit. I love building it. The parts fit was amazing. It's a cool looking truck when it's done. But this is the new one, and to me it doesn't make a big deal out of this. It's not on their new releases, but it really is a new release because this one comes pre-painted, and it's painted in Tamiya silver with Tamiya clear coat. So I just wanted to talk about that, kind of show off this kit a little bit. I'm going to build this in the future here, and I'm going to use it as a showcase build for the Bayer SFR1 sound and light system. As part of my Bayer Masterclass, but I'm going to use this truck because I don't have to paint it. And if you go back and look at my build of the original truck, there's a ton of painting. So having it pre-painted is really nice. Even if you're going to paint it a different color, it's cool because it's like $60 less than the unpainted version. Now I don't get it. I don't know why Tamiya does it. I get questions about it all the time. Hey, how come the painted one's cheaper than the unpainted one? I can't pretend to figure out what Tamiya is thinking about on that. But I get a lot of questions about the painted trucks, so I'm going to use this to talk about that too. So first off, the painted trucks all have a sticker on the cover that tells what they're painted in. This one here is painted in gloss aluminum TS17 with a clear coat, Tamiya clear coat. Now, they're actually painted. Some people have asked me in the past, are they just molded in color? No, they're actually painted with Tamiya paint and they're machine painted. So let me slide the lid off this and we'll take a look inside. Alright, lid's off, and you can see it looks just like every other Tamiya kit you've ever seen in your life. Nicely boxed, beautiful packaging. They do a great job, but the thing we'll notice right away are painted parts. Now they paint them on the tree and they're machine done with Tamiya paint, and boy, their paint is absolutely perfect. It's perfectly smooth. There's no orange peel, there's no runs. I wish I could paint this good myself. I can't. Matter of fact, it would be hard pressed to find somebody who can. So it's beautiful, and this kit had a lot of parts to paint, so let's just take a look at some of those parts. So we're going to set this aside. This is the windows. Chrome parts, black parts, none of those are painted. Transmission parts, wheels, none of those are painted. But the body itself is painted in this beautiful gloss silver. And I am not going to take it out of, well, you know what, I'll take this out. Okay, the paint is completely flawless. It's beautiful, and it's everywhere. They paint the interior, they paint the exterior. I mean, it's beautiful. The paint is perfect. So the pre-painted kits are like that. Now, for example, the pre-painted King Hauler is painted in metallic black with the Tamiya gloss clear coat. The Grand Hauler is painted in Tamiya metallic black with a flat coat over the top, and so it has a matte finish. And then there's various other trucks that are painted in color. There's the tipper truck that's painted in red and silver. There's some Mercedes-Benz that's painted in blue. And so there are a few kits that come painted, but that is absolutely just gorgeous. So the body's painted. We've got the roof cap pieces are painted. And we've got some chrome parts and some plastic parts. The black parts are unpainted. What I would do on these is probably some of them, like the grill and some of the handrails, I would just spray them with clear flat. Some of them I might paint, but the interior is unpainted. Okay, so. But then we've got more painted parts. We've got the side wings, the grill, the fender hoops, and the front clip are painted. The inner fender parts are not painted. And we've got another tree of paint. You can see how many parts there were to paint in this kit. It just has a ton of parts to paint. These are the side arrow wings up on the body, up here, and then these are, let's see, these are the arrow wings that go along the back of the wheel hoops, I think. I have to remember, it's been a while since I built it. Lower clip on the front bumper. So those are all painted. And then, I don't know what else we've got here. Probably the only other thing, let's see what's in this box. No painted parts in here, just tires. No painted parts down here. Okay, probably some painted parts in here. Yes, that's what I was looking for. I was looking for all the rear fenders. Boy, and they are beautiful. The paint is really, really nice. So, back in there. I'll put this back in the box. Okay, back in the box. So again, I just wanted to show off the pre-painted body parts on this 776x4 in silver. And while I'm at it, since I mentioned it, I'll just show, this is a pre-painted king hauler in metallic black with a Tamiya gloss clear coat on it. So that's a typical pre-painted king hauler. And then this is a pre-painted grand hauler, which is the exact same color, but with a matte TS80 matte finish, and this is the TS13 gloss finish. So you can see the difference, or at least I hope you can, in the two bodies, the matte and the gloss. And again, this is the TS40 metallic black. You can see the other parts come painted. They tape them inside here. And in the grand hauler, when they paint the body, it also comes with painted rear fenders. And it comes with an interior molded in black plastic but not painted. So anyway, that's just a little bit of discussion about the Tamiya pre-paint RC truck kits. And generally on king haulers and grand haulers, if I'm going to paint them, I start with an unpainted kit because there's no great big price difference. But on the 770S with that lower price, it's like, okay, that's going to be the truck I would buy, even if I'm going to paint it a different color or paint trim colors on it or something, because why not? It's less money and it's beautiful. So there you go, Tamiya pre-paints. This is a quick video. I just wanted to show that off and discuss their pre-paints a little bit. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I know it's a quick video, but wanted to get it out there. So we'll see you next time.